Today's Ferrari is a 1974 246 GTS Dino. It has been well known to us. We have cosmetically restored it and serviced it for the previous owner for years and years. It's documented by Massini. It has absolutely no disappointments and is about as turnkey as you're ever going to get for a Dino, with lovely provenance and condition to match. So, see you on the road. Okay. Can I tell you, not really a cold start because it's kind of warm. And again, we're boycotting cold starts, expecting the car to actually just start and do what it's supposed to do properly, or we wouldn't be in business. So, as usual, we have yet one more of these orphans that needs fuel. So, fill it and come back to you. Well, it's a bit cold out, so we're going to go first to third gear. Let the gearbox oil warm up. Well, she's the gut of the benzina. She's warmed up. And she's all ready to go. So we're going to run down some back roads and show you what the mighty little V6 2.4 liter Ferrari Dino engine does and why it's such a coveted, lovable little car, not only on back roads, but on highways because they cruise well. It actually has a trunk, so you could take it on various weekend journeys, and they're just fun, which we say all the time, but there are some that are just not fun. Now, this is fun. So it's one of those cars where looking from the inside out is as spectacular as looking at the car from the exterior. It's just nifty? No, not nifty. It's special? It's not really special. I mean, it's just a car.
Wonderful.
Heartwarming and endearing? Something you just don't get from the, it's something you just don't get from the V8s, the newer cars.
Charming.
And yes, it is charming in every way, and in many cases more fun than the cars with far more horsepower. It's got all the right sounds. The gearing is great. You know what? We'll go on some back roads and you guys and gals can judge for yourselves based on the video. And I will actually pipe down for a little bit. We're not going to go on the highway, but as you can see, it will cruise all day long, 60, 70 miles per hour, and it's just enjoyable. And contrary to popular belief, there's a lot of room in here once you're in, because you basically sit on the floor with your legs out. Wrong car to be Bondopolis in.
Hey, Thomas Papadopoulos.
Yes, he does not do it good. He's, que se dice? They call me Goggles a Paisano. And this is the perfect car for a Goggles a Paisano.
You heard it here, folks.
So a lot of this stuff does get repetitive, but there are those that put a smile on your face no matter what, and there are those that are, you know, work to drive. Dino is just a special car in every sense. It's just lovely in every way. Let's make a quick left here, get over to our area for flybys. You can hear it from the outside. It's just lovely the way the engines rev. Even first gear works well. But you're going to see that she loves to be used around town as well. So the Dinos are very versatile, and for where we live, for sure, Dinos will give you a lot more pleasure in cosmopolitan areas, because you don't really have to go fast to feel them out and enjoy what they will give you back, which is just a go-kart feeling and comfort with wonderful sounds and wonderful views over the front fenders, which, why shouldn't we say it's reminiscent of a 206 SP racing car, because that's pretty much what it is reminiscent of. So I hope you guys have all enjoyed the video today. This Dino is really, really special to us because we have fingerprints within it, having restored it and cared for it for many, many, many years. So by all means, if you have any questions, we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for coming along for the ride. I hope you enjoyed it.